असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 4.2 problem number 5. Look at the question. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your answer. So we have to verify this here. So look at the first one. What is the question? X power minus 3 into x power minus 2 is equals to x power minus 6. So write down here problem. X power minus 3 into x power minus 2 is equals to x power minus 6. Here we have to verify this, and if it is true, no need to do here anything. Okay. So if it is false, we can give our answer here. Okay. We have to justify our answer. Right. So here the bases are same, that is why we should add the powers. So x power minus 3 plus of minus 2 is equals to x power minus 6. Okay, with the formula of a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n formula, isn't it? So with that formula I have modified this LHS part. This becomes x power minus 3 plus into minus minus is equals to x power minus 6. Okay, right. This becomes x power minus 5 is equals to x power minus 6. Is it clear? Right. So here both sides the bases are equal, that is why we need to equal the powers. Minus 6 is equals to minus 6. Is it true? Minus 5 is equals to minus 6. Is it true? Is the minus 5 is equals to minus 6? No, both are different. So it is not true. It means it is false. So here the solution of Rakesh is false. Okay, because minus 5 is not equals to minus 6. Okay, so here I have used a power m is equals to a power n, that implies m is equals to n formula. Okay, right. This is first one. Right, next go for second. What is the question? X power 3 by x power 2 is equals to x power 4. Okay, right. Here x power 3 into this goes to numerator, what becomes? X power minus 8 becomes is equals to x power 4. So which formula I have used here? A power or 1 by a power m is equals to a power minus m formula I have used here. So this becomes bases are same, that is why we shall add the powers, isn't it? Which formula? A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n formula. Okay, is it clear? Right, next. So x power 3 plus into minus minus 2 is equals to x power 4. What becomes? X power 1 is equals to x power 4. So I am going to use here a power m is equals to a power n, that implies m equals to n. We have the formula. So by that formula it becomes 1 is equals to 4. Is it true? Is the 1 is equals to 4? So this is a false statement. Okay, it's wrong. So here Rakesh solution is wrong. Okay, 1 is not equals to 4. Okay, that's why it is false. Next, go for row number 3. Right. So the question, x square whole power 3 is equals to x square power 3, x power 2 power 3 is equals to x power 8. Okay. So look at here. What we can write? X power 2 into 3 we can write, that is equals to, this you can write x power 2 into 2 into 2. X power 2 cube we have, 2 cube we can write 2 into 2 into 2 here, isn't it? Is it clear? Right. Here x power 2 into 3. So it is x power 2 whole power 3. Okay, this 3 belongs to this x also. Okay, right. So x power 2 into 3 becomes which formula? Here a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn formula I have used. Okay, so x power 2 power 3 is nothing but x power 8 only. Okay, this becomes x power 6 is equals to x power 8. So both sides the bases are common, are same, or you can write 6 is equals to 8. Here I have used a power m is equals to a power n, that implies m equals to n formula. So 6 equals to 8 we got. Is it true? No, it is false. It is false statement because 6 is not equals to 8. Both are two numbers. Okay, they never be equal. So what we can write? Here also Rakesh solution is wrong because they are two numbers never be same. Okay, two different numbers there, the different number never be same, never be equal. Right. Next, go for row number 4. Okay, right. So write on fourth question here, x power minus 2 is equals to root x. So what becomes? So the LHS part as it is, this we can write x power 2 is equals to, this root x we can write x power 1 by 2. Which formula? A root a we can write a power 1 by n. Okay, by that formula I have written here. So both sides bases are equal, we can equal the powers. So minus 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Is it true? Is it true? No, it is false. So which formula I have used here? A power m is equals to a power n is equals to m equals to m. So I am writing here again and again the formula. So this is false statement. Minus 2 is always not equals to 1 by 2 because they are two different numbers. Okay, right. So here also wrong solution. Right. Next, row number 5. What is the question? 3x power minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3x. Okay, right. So this we can write, this 3x power minus 1 we can write 3 into x power minus 1, and this is 1 by 3x as it is. And next, this one x power minus 1 we can write 3 by x power 1 we can write, or no need to write. Okay, is equals to 1 by 3x. Take the cross multiplication. So here I have used a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m formula I have used here, and take the cross multiplication. 3 into 3x is equals to x into 1. This is 9x is equals to x. Okay, right. So 9x is always not equals to x. Okay, so these two are not equal to. So this is a false statement, isn't it? Is it true? No, it is false. Okay, right. So here also we got wrong solution. So the solutions of Rakesh all wrong here. Okay, isn't it? Is it clear? Are you clear with this? Right. So pause the video, write the notes.